Hello, this is a demo of the final project E720, which is a part of the ECE 517 course. This is a merging project and it deals with the merging of four previously done projects into the Expertiza code base. These are the E607A, E607B, E610 and E614. We begin our merging by taking E610 project, which is the refactoring and testing of score. The main reason for this is so that we can test the changes that have been made by the refactoring part immediately after merging, and also it involves considerable amount of code change. Since both the E610 and the E607 projects involve changes in scores, reviews and assignment creation and management, we have the following dummy setup where we have a single course and also an assignment. Also the assignment has a set of questionnaires for reviews, meta reviews, etc. We also have 4 participants that are registered to this course and to the assignment as well. There are 3 teams. Team 1 and Team 3 have 1 participant each, and Team 2 has 2 participants. We will now test the submission functionality. We have logged in as Team 1 and now Team 1 will submit their link. As we can see that the submission functionality works successfully. Similarly, all the remaining teams would also complete their submissions. Now we'll test the review functionality. We are logged in as Team 2 and now Team 2 is going to review the submission of Team 3. We can start filling in the scores as a part of the review. You can add a comment if required. You can save the review. As we can see that the review was successfully saved. Similarly, the other participants would also submit their reviews for the submissions. So now we'll see if the review scores have been updated correctly. Since E610 deals with scores, we need to check if the correct average has been assigned for a 2-member team as well as a single-member team. These are the in the screen we can see that a 2-member team scores are shown. Similarly, we can see that for a single person team, the right average score has been displayed. Moving on to project 607, which deals with the creation and management of assignments. The first part of the refactoring is on the function get total reviews completed, which should show the right number of reviews that have been done for a particular team. Here we can see that for the single member team, there are 3 reviews that have been submitted. Similarly, on the admin side, we can see that as a part of project E610, the correct average scores have been displayed for all the teams. And also as a part of project 607, we can see that the number of reviews that are done by every person are shown. Another part of 607 deals with the refactoring of the get hyperlinks function, which should show the correct hyperlinks that has been submitted. As we can see that the right hyperlink that has been submitted is displayed. Similarly, we can see that, on the admin side as well, the right hyperlink has been displayed. The last part of 607 deals with refactoring the scores mechanism, which overlaps with E610. We have resolved these conflicts, and as we saw that the correct scores get displayed for all the participants and the teams. Now moving on to the testing part, the test cases for E610 are scoretest.rb and score_cache_test.rb. Let's run this one by one and just see the results. Let's run scoretest.rb first. So as we can see that all the 28 tests have run successfully. Now let's run the scorecache_test.rb and see the results. Now we can see here that all the 15 tests have passed successfully for scorecache_test.rb. Next, moving on to the E607 project, which deals with the testing of the assignment functionality. Basically, the test cases are written for 3 model files, that is the assignment.rb, assignmentparticipant.rb and assignmentteam.rb. The corresponding unit test cases for this are assignmenttest.rb, assignmentparticipant_test.rb and assignmentteam_test.rb. Now let's test this one by one and see the results. Let's run assignmenttest.rb first. As we can see that the test has run successfully. Next, let's test the assignmentparticipant_test.rb unit test and see the results. Okay, so the tests have run successfully. Now let's test the next unit test, that's assignment team test.rb. So we can see that the third test case, the third unit test has also passed successfully. Now moving on to E614, which deals with the refactoring and testing of the grades helper functions and the grades reviews, basically the views associated with the reviews. We can demonstrate this with the help of custom rubric. As we can see that we have the following custom rubric which has different categories, category 1, 2 and 3 with several weights, and they have different input types that can be given to them, and we have several questions that a user can enter answers for. So whenever a user reviews this custom rubric, the grades helper functions will help the reviews.html.erb to display this particular rubric consistently on the front end. So now we are logged in as a user who is reviewing the custom rubric. As we can see that there are three categories that are displayed here, category 1, 2 and 3. One has the associated text fields, category 2 has the ratings that a user can input, and category 3 has the checkboxes. So with this we can see that the merge code of E614 works well after refactoring and merging. Now coming to the final part of our fourth and last merge project, we test the unit test cases for the grade helper functions. We have a unit test file that has been written called grades helper test.rb. Let's run this and see if it runs successfully. So here we can see that the test case has run successfully and there are no errors. Now with this we come to the end of the demonstration of the E720 merging project. As we saw, we have successfully merged four refactored projects into one single into the Expertiza database.